Alright, welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can do launch site in Rust. So what you'll need to have is red card, green card, and some fuses. So what you'll need to do is come right here. So as you can see, there's a collapsed wall. So you go right here, run right here, next to the stairs, over here, and here you'll need to uh, swipe your green card, then go right here, open it and put one fuse right here and pull the switch next to it right here. After that, go right here diagonally. So you just run right here until you see this building. Go right here from the backwards through these bushes right here and go to this door. And as you can see, you'll see right here the fuse box. So add one fuse again and turn the switch right here. And after that, you can run back right here and go to this big building. And what you'll need to have is anti-radiation, so hazmat suit or other clothing. And right here, just swipe a red card. And your doors should open up. After you're done looting, fuse may run out. So what you'll need to do is go right here and you'll see auxiliary power. Go right here, click on this switch, and your doors should open up again with this button. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you do a launch site in Rust. Thank you and see you in the next one.